Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm showing you how to make coquito, and these are some of the ingredients. First, you're going to start by getting a pot and turning the heat to medium high. Then we're going to add 1/3 cup of water, a cinnamon stick or 2, and 6 cloves. You're going to let that simmer for about 3 minutes. Once your timer's up, you're going to set it off to the side. So ideally you would do this with a blender, but I only had my Ninja on hand. And you're going to get all of those canned ingredients, mix them all together so we can blend them up. Because I didn't have a blender, I had to split mine into equal parts in each cup. Now everybody makes their drink different. I make mine without rum, and traditionally there is rum inside it. Now, the way I make mine, because it doesn't have any alcohol, anybody at all ages can enjoy this drink, and I think that's the best. So we've already added the cream of coconut. Now we're adding the coconut milk and the evaporated milk. Now I'm just going to be pouring in sweetened condensed milk. All the ingredients are in the Ninja, we're going to blend it up. You want to make sure that it's mixed well. Now, because my Ninja isn't big enough and I still have ingredients to mix, I'm going to pour it into this bowl and set it aside for now. Of course, if you have a larger blender, you don't need to do this step. Now I'm just adding the rest of the ingredients that I still have to blend up together. I wanted to take this opportunity to share with you guys a fellow YouTuber, Daphne Homescape. She's going to be making for you guys a sweet potato pie that you will not want to miss. She has all sorts of great things on her channel, from DIYs, recipes, cleaning motivation, and more. So you guys should really check her out. I will link it down below. I'm taking half of the coquito that was poured into the other cup and just putting some extra into this one so it will have enough to be blended. I'm also adding some pure vanilla extract. I will leave all the exact measurements down below because I've done this so many times, I just eyeball it. You want to make sure that you blend it well. Now I'm just going to mix up the rest of it. Now, because I'm using this tiny Ninja and I did not have a blender, I'm going to pour them all together. That way I can make sure the flavor is the same throughout. I thought I could pour it into the Ninja, but I was wrong, so instead I grabbed a big bowl. Now, I almost forgot about our water infusion. I use this in place of the rum. You're going to get rid of the cinnamon stick and the cloves and pour only just the water inside of the blender. Now I had to take some of the coquito and pour it back inside the Ninja. That way I can blend it all together. Now I'm just going to give this a quick stir. Now obviously I'm doing this hard way because of the fact I'm missing a blender, guys. So if you have a blender, you're not going to have to worry about all these steps. You're just going to have to mix it once. Now I'm just going to give everything a really good mix and start adding in my cinnamon and nutmeg. After it's mixed well, I'm going to be taking a bottle and funnel and pouring the drink into a bottle to chill. Now this amount will serve at least 6 people. Now I'm going to be repeating this process until all of my bottles are filled. you're going to want to make sure the tops to your bottles are screwed on well. And you're going to be placing these in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour or overnight. This is our family's favorite drink around the holidays, and I love the fact that everyone can enjoy it. And we wanted to show you guys a slow motion clip of it being poured into the glass. So you cannot forget about presentation. I like to sprinkle some cinnamon on top of mine. I go heavy, but you can go lighter if you want, or even add more. It's really up to you and your preference. I also like to add in a cinnamon stick, and I think it brings the wow factor in the presentation. Now doesn't that look so delicious? So I found these cute little candy cane straws and I wanted to add those in. It brings out that Christmas factor. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye!